Hello everyone, I am Md.M and today we shall continue chapter 3 part 1, his first flight. So I was talking about the young one is mad with hunger, and the reason behind it was really very clear, just because he didn't have had anything past 2 days. So anyhow, what he wanted that piece of fish which was in the mouth of his mother. He dives at his mother to have the food, and as a result, what he did, in order to get that fish, he dived at his mother. But what happened? He falls downward into the space. His wings spread outward. He flaps them and begin to fly. But he couldn't reach there. So as a result, he was falling down. So automatically what happened? There was something which was quite common or normal, or which was quite obvious to happen, that his wings come out, and in no time what he realized that he was flying. He flaps them and begin to fly. All his fear goes. The other young seagull think it is hard land. He falls. All his fear goes. तो फिर क्या हुआ? जब उसने पहली बार ऐसा किया, तो the moment he found, that means after flapping his wings he was flying, then the fear which was in his heart, it has gone. The other member came flying around him. They make cries of joy, and the rest of his family member, his parents, his brothers and sister, they all came flying around him, and they all were crying in joy because he was successful in making his first flight. Then they land on the green sea. The young seagull thinks it is hard. तब उन्होंने क्या देखा? सी के ऊपर जो ग्रीन कलर का जो एक आप कह सकते हो कि जो एक सी प्लांट टाइप का जो होता है, जब उसने उसको देखा तो उसे क्या लगा? That it was a hard ground. What it was a hard ground, and he thought that it is quite safe to land here. But what happened? He also lands with them. His legs sink into the water. He cries in fear, but it was not as he expected. He thought it was a hard land, but it was not. The moment he landed on that green sea, that means his legs were sinking, and he thought that he is going to drown and he will definitely die. But then his belly touches the water. Then what happened? Then his belly, when it comes in the contact of water, he sees that he is sinking no further. He began to float on the water. Then what he realized? Actually, he thought that he is going to die. But the thing which happened, it was truly beyond his expectation. He was floating on the surface of the water. And thus the fear of getting drowned also goes. This was his first flight. So this is how that young seagull make his first flight. Thank you very much guys. Further we'll discuss in our next video. Till the time, take care of yourself.